Hey everyone, welcome back. As always, we have the AI Agent Store.ai website pulled up here on the screen.
Yeah, definitely our usual starting point these days.
Right, exactly. And today, our mission is really to figure out if open source, self-hosted AI is, truly ready for heavy-duty, continuous automation.
Right, and we are focusing on a page for a platform called Memoh today.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah.
Because Memo is built specifically for engineers and founders who needs serious, always-on AI workers.
Yeah, I mean, this isn't about asking a temporary browser-based chatbot for a dinner recipe and then just closing the tab.
No, not at all.
What we are looking at is an architecture design so you can deploy an intelligent system, step back, and just let it run its own processes in the background.
Right. And to put that into perspective, if a standard chatbot is like handing an AI a walkie-talkie to ask a quick question, running Memo is like giving that AI its own private corner office.
Oh, I like that analogy.
Yeah, you're giving each agent a full computer-like environment to live in, with a desktop, a file system, and like a locked door.
Exactly. And what's fascinating here is the underlying mechanism that makes that private office possible. The platform uses container isolation.
Okay, container isolation. So it's not just running loosely on your machine.
No, not at all. Instead of that, each agent is walled off in its own virtual sandbox.
Well, I have to push back a bit there because the page actually boasts about having zero telemetry.
Right, which is a big claim.
Yeah. If I am a founder putting my proprietary code base into this system, how do I actually know it's not phoning home to its creators? Like, does container isolation actually guarantee that privacy?
It actually does, yeah.
Yeah.
Because container isolation restricts the software at the operating system level.
Okay.
You dictate exactly what network paths the container can and cannot use.
Oh, wow. So it's literally like building that private office without any outbound phone lines?
Precisely. Your sensitive corporate data physically cannot leave your controlled servers. I mean, unless you explicitly open a door for it.
Okay, that makes total sense. But if they are completely walled off in these secure containers without us constantly guiding them, how do they actually get any work done?
That is the big question.
Because here's where it gets really interesting. The page notes memo hits an impressive 87% autonomy level. So how on earth is it operating so independently in that sandbox?
Well, it achieves that autonomy because it has direct access to the container's core capabilities. It can execute shell commands, edit files directly, and run internet searches on its own.
Wait, it can run its own shell commands?
Yeah, entirely on its own. But the real secret to that 87% score is its persistent workspace. That and its long-term memory.
Meaning it doesn't treat every prompt as a brand new conversation.
Right. Instead of having amnesia every time you talk to it, Memo writes its intermediate thoughts, its plans, and its trial and error steps directly to a local disk.
So if it tries to run a script and fails, it can actually look back at its own error logs.
Exactly. It realizes what went wrong and pivots to a new strategy without asking you for help.
That is wild. It's treating the AI less like a flimsy software script and more like a permanent digital employee that clocks in every single day.
You hit the nail on the head. And that durability is so crucial. When you reboot a traditional system, you usually lose the context of what was happening.
I'm sure everything just wipes.
Right. But with Memo, the AI's memory and its in-progress work survive system restarts.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so if it's halfway through sorting your database and your server blips, it doesn't go back to square one. The container boots back up, the AI reads its own scratchpad and picks up right where it left off.
That is incredibly useful.
It really is. Which raises an implication worth mulling over for you listening. As AI agents move from simple chat windows to having their own persistent, durable desktop environments that survive reboots, well, how long until these AIs start organizing their own digital files better than we organize ours?
Honestly, looking at my own desktop right now, they probably already do.
Yeah.
But anyway, if you want to check out the page for yourself and see what an always-on AI worker could do for you, definitely head over to AIAgentStore.ai.
It is absolutely worth a look.
Thank you so much for rating the podcast. It really means the world to us. We will catch you on the next one.